In recent years, Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, has been vocal about the well-being of junior lawyers. Junior lawyers who toil a lot should be paid for their hard work. These are the words of D.Y. Chandrachud. He highlights the important issue that junior lawyers do immense hard work and should be paid according to that. During the 20th anniversary celebrations of the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court, CJI Chandrachud made an impassioned plea for the better treatment and fair compensation of the junior lawyers. He emphasized that the future of the legal profession rests on the shoulders of these young lawyers and their well-being is paramount for the sustainability of the judiciary. He highlighted the key points such as dignified pay. CJI Chandrachud stressed the importance of paying junior lawyers a dignified salary. He criticized the current practice where many junior lawyers are paid mere amounts or in some cases nothing at all. He urged senior lawyers to ensure that their juniors are compensated fairly for their work, arguing that financial stability is crucial to them to develop professionally and personally. Second is respect and mentorship. Beyond fair pay, CJI Chandrachud called for a cultural shift in how junior lawyers are treated. He admonished senior lawyers for adopting a paternalistic approach, stating that juniors are not their slaves but future colleagues. He encouraged a mentorship approach where seniors provide guidance and support rather than exploitative practices. Third is professional development. The Chief Justice highlighted the need for opportunities that allow junior lawyers to grow in their careers. This includes providing them with challenging work, courtroom exposure, and constructive feedback, which are essential for honing their skills and building confidence. Fourth is systematic change. CJI Chandrachud's remark underscored the necessity for systematic changes within law firms and legal practices. He pointed out that the judiciary and bar associations should take an active role in ensuring fair labor practices within the legal professions. The CJI statements have resonated with many in the legal community, prompting discussions about the current state of the profession and need for reforms. Senior lawyers and bar associations have been called to reflect on their practices and to adopt measures to align with the values of fairness and respect as advocated by Chief Justice. In parallel to the issues raised by CJI Chandrachud, the judiciary continues to deal with high-profile cases that attract public and media scrutiny. One such case is the plea involving Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and DMK MLAs regarding the alleged distribution of gutka sachets in Tamil Nadu Assembly. The case concerns show cause notices issued to Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and other DMK MLAs following allegations of gutka sachets being distributed in the Tamil Nadu Assembly. This incident led to significant controversy and raised questions about the conduct of elected representatives. CJI D.Y. Chandrachud's advocacy for fair treatment and compensation for junior lawyers marks a pivotal movement for the legal profession, highlighting the urgent need for reform and the adoption of ethical labor practices. His call for a cultural shift towards respect and mentorship within the profession is seen as a necessary step to ensure the future of the judiciary is built on a foundation of fairness and integrity. Simultaneously, ongoing high-profile controversy involving CM M.K. Stalin and DMK MLAs underscores the challenges faced by the judiciary in maintaining accountability and transparency among public officials. The adjournment of the plea in the case indicates the complexities involved in navigating legal and political landscapes. The confluence of these issues reflects a broader need for systematic changes within both the legal profession and the public governance, emphasizing the importance of ethical practices, accountability, and respect for the rule of law. If you like the video, do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.